How to set timing control on Tecno mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Settings. In Settings, go to Special Function, and go to Accessibility. In Accessibility, in Interaction Controls, you can see the timing controls. Tap this, and now you can set the touch and hold delay. And the touch and hold delay is set into short. So if you want to set or change this, you can set the touch and hold delay into short, medium, or long. So for example, I set into medium and tap OK to save. And also the auto-click dwell timing. So the auto-click dwell timing is off. So if you want to on, so you can tap this and you can see the option. You can set into short 0.2 seconds, medium 0.6 seconds, long 1 seconds, or you can set into custom. So for example, I set into long, the auto-click dwell timing.